Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Our today's topic is about the three most commonly used greetings in modern standard Arabic. So let's start with the first one. Marhaba. Marhaba. Marhaba means hello or hi in English. The response for the marhaba will be ahlan wa sahlan. Ahlan wa sahlan, which means welcome in English. Welcome. So now repeat after me. Marhaba. Marhaba. Ahlan wa sahlan. Ahlan wa sahlan. If you say marhaba, you should not expect the same in response. Like you cannot say, when somebody say marhaba, you cannot repeat the same thing and answer it with marhaba. You should say, or you must say, ahlan wa sahlan. Ahlan wa sahlan. You can also only say ahlan. Ahlan. But it would be more polite to say ahlan wa sahlan. If you want to greet someone in the morning, you can use this one. Sabahul khair. Sabahul khair, which means good morning. Sabah means morning, al khair means good. The response for Sabahul khair will be Sabahun nur. Sabahun nur, which means bright morning or the morning with light. So Sabah means morning and Nur means light. So whenever somebody said Sabahul khair, you should answer it with Sabahun nur. Sabahun nur. If you want to greet someone in the evening, you can use this. Masa'ul khair. Masa'ul khair. Masa'ul khair means good evening. Masa means evening, al khair means good. The response for the Masa'ul khair will be Masa'un nur. Masa'un nur. Masa'un nur means bright evening or the evening with lights. Masa means evening and nur means light. So if somebody said Masa'ul khair, you should answer it with Masa'un nur, which means good evening. Masa'ul khair. Masa'un nur. The next most commonly used greeting in Arabic is Assalamu alaikum. Assalamu alaikum, which means peace be upon you. Peace be upon you. Assalamu alaikum. Assalamu alaikum is used in all the Muslim countries, in Arab, in non-Arab Muslims. So it is very common in all the Islamic countries, whether they are Arab or non-Arab. It is very common. Assalamu alaikum. Assalam means peace. Alaikum means upon you. So the response for the Assalamu alaikum will be Wa alaikumus salam. Wa alaikumus salam, which means and upon you be peace, which also means peace be upon you too. So Assalamu alaikum. Assalamu alaikum. The response will be Wa alaikumus salam. Wa alaikumus salam. So now you have learned all the three different most commonly greetings. You can use any greeting in their particular time, like marhaba you can use at any time, but sabahul khair can only be used in the morning, masa'ul khair in the evening, and assalamu alaikum can be used at any time with anybody in any circumstances. And same is marhaba. You can use it at any time, any circumstances, with anybody. So now is your quiz. We need to check whether you learned this lesson or not. So let's start. I will say the English and you should answer me, or you should tell me the Arabic of that one. Hello. What would be the Arabic of hello? Hello. That's correct. That's marhaba. Marhaba. So what would be the response for marhaba in English, which is welcome? Or in English we can also say hello or hi, the same we can use, but not in Arabic. In Arabic we are using something else. If somebody say marhaba, so what would be the answer? Ahlan wa sahlan, correct. Ahlan wa sahlan. So now let's go to the next one. So if you want to meet in the morning, if you want to meet someone in the morning, we say good morning in English. So what would be in Arabic? Good morning. Now you should say the Arabic. Good morning. Sabahul khair. Yes, that's correct. Sabahul khair. So what would be the response for Sabahul khair or good morning? It's, I know, bright morning, but you should tell me the English, the Arabic one. Sabahun Noor, correct. Sabahun Noor. So if somebody says Sabahul Khair, you should respond that by Sabahun Noor. So if you want to meet someone in the evening, so what would be that in Arabic? Good evening. You should tell me the Arabic. Good evening. Masa'ul Khair. Yes, that's correct. Masa'ul Khair. Masa'ul Khair. So what would be the answer of Masa'ul Khair? Bright evening. Yeah, what would be the Arabic? Masa'un Noor. Yes, that's correct. Masa'un Noor, which means the evening with the lights, or the bright evening. Now we'll go to the third one. What would be that? Peace be upon you. So how can we say that? Assalamu alaikum. That's correct. Assalamu alaikum. So what would be the answer of Assalamu alaikum, which is very common in all the Muslim countries, in Arab countries? What would be the answer? Wa alaikum assalam. Wa alaikum assalam. Yes, that's correct. I know you can, most of you cannot pronounce the I sound. Wa alaikum assalam. So you can simply say Wa alaikum assalam. I know the pronunciation would not be correct, but till you are learning the I sound, Wa alaikum assalam, you can say Wa alaikum assalam. People would understand that. Thank you very much. Please subscribe our channel for the upcoming videos. Thank you very much.